Hello friends, today we are going to make a project on Tinkercad with the help of Arduino Uno R3, LCD 16 cross 2 and a resistor and a potentiometer. Let us create a new project. First of all, our project will look like this, something look like this. Now we will create our project. We will create our project in the circuit. Let us create new circuit. As you see in this display, there are multiple options. It is the code option for the project that we made. It is the components. It is the search bar. Let us search LCD. Here it comes. We will drag it here. Now we will search for Arduino Uno. Here it is Arduino Uno R3. We will drag it here like this. We will zoom out. In this project, we are going to need Arduino Uno, LCD, 16 cross 2, breadboard small, and a resistor and a potentiometer, and some connecting wires. Now we will search for breadboard small. Here it is. We will drag it here like this, like this, like this. First of all, we will make the connections with them. Then we will introduce potentiometer and resistor. Now we will going to make the connections. First of all, we will put LCD over the breadboard, and here you look in this pins, the breadboard and the LCD is connected. It is ground, it is the power, and these are the multiple keys. It is video display, it is register select, and many options. Now we will search for potentiometer. Here it comes. We will drag it here and rotate it according to our need and connect it here. That's right. Now we will rotate the Arduino Uno according to our need, because we want these keys above the small breadboard so that we can easily make the connections. Now we will start making the connections. Let me zoom out first. Now first of all, we will connect this 5-volt, something like this, to the breadboard positive terminal. Here, let me clear. We will connect the source with the red color like this. Now we will connect this source, power source, with the red color like this, and now we will connect also this terminal first with this source. Now we will connect the ground. For ground, we will take black color. This Arduino Uno, it can be connected to any point on the breadboard. Now I will connect it to 23 point number 23, like this, like this, and this terminal 2 of potentiometer to breadboard to the ground, like this, and this to the ground like this. Here comes Be very careful while making the connections. Now we will connect this wiper to the video display, point number 5, like this. Now we will collect. Now we will connect this RS switch to D7 and this RW switch to ground, and we'll make it black, and this enable to this D6 switch like this, and we'll change its color to pink. Now we will connect DB7 to 2. Now we will again change the color to purple and make this purple. Now DB6. Now we will connect DB6 to DB3 to D3 like this, and we'll change its color to green. We will look at something like this so that our connections look neat and clean. Always try to make neat and clean connections. This will make your circuit easy to read and easy to understand. Now we will connect DB5 to DB5 to D4, something like that. And we will color it brown, and DB4 to D5, and we'll color it turquoise like this. Now we'll bring the resistor and connect it here and make this point at high voltage like this and color it red like this. Here we completed our connections. Our all connections are completed. Now we are going to write the source code for it. We do not want blocks, so I text the code in normally text. So I choose text and continue. Let me rub this, let me erase this and this also. This. Here we will include our library file, hash include, liquid crystal.h, and we will introduce our text line. My first text line will be triple IT quota. Like this. I will copy this line and paste it below and make some changes in this to create my second line. I write in this my name. Now we will define our LCD pins. These are 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. For the purpose of for defining, let me write here LCD pins. These 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 usually means DB7, DB6, DB5, DB4, E for enable, RS. Now we will be writing the code so that our LED will display these two text lines. So that this is our code, and now we are going to write the code for LCD so that our LCD will display these two lines. Let me write the code. LCD dot begin. (16, 2). LCD dot set cursor 0, 0. LCD dot print my text1. Now I will copy these two lines and print here like this. I will make some changes like this and like this. In this way, our whole code is created. This is the code to display these two lines on the LCD 16x2. The LCD 16x2 usually means we want to say that now we will start stimulation to detect the errors. Yes, we got some error in this line. Let me think, what is the error in this line? The error in this line is here. We do not put the colon sign. Now again start stimulation. Now we do not get any error because now our code is fully correct. Actually whenever we get some error, then stimulation stops and a red line indicates the error. As now we get the error here in the form of semicolon. Now I'm going to show you my project is running like this. Now we are going to increase the potential voltmeter, and you can see that this my name print and triple IT quota also prints something like this. As you can see, there are 16 characters. That's why it is called 16x2 LED. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. If for changing my code, I have to stop stimulation, and if I provide some space in between triple IT quota and start stimulation and see this, it increases the space. Now again I stop stimulation and increase the space between triple IT quota, and start stimulation. Now it again increases the space. As you can see, the characters in between triple IT and quota increases. As you can see, there are wide space in between triple IT quota and between triple IT and quota. We can remove this space by changing our code. First of all, we have to stop stimulation and then change our code like this. And I also change something in the second line like this. And again, we start stimulation. Now it looks something like this. And thank you for your precious time. This is my project. Hope you like the video. Comment, share and like. Thank you.